You know the feeling. It's 11:47 a.m. You've been at your desk since 8:30. You've answered 17 emails. Watched a video about sourdough. Adjust your Spotify playlist 4 times. You've typed exactly 47 words. 47 words in 3 hours. You're exhausted, but you haven't done anything. That right there is a modern play. They call it shallow work. We call it Tuesday. Cal Newport called it deep work, and most of you watching will never do it. Why can't we just do it? We have to start with the hardware. Because the hardware is broken. Your brain hasn't had a meaningful software update in about 200,000 years. We are wired for novelty down the savannah. If a bush rustled, you looked up because it was food or fangs. That's dopamine, not a pleasure chemical. A salience chemical that it screams out, look at this. Silicon Valley has weaponized it. Every red badge is a rustle in the bush. After a distraction, it takes the brain 23 minutes 15 seconds to fully recover focus that you are living in the shallows. Before we talk about the work, we have to talk about the ritual. People think deep work is an act of willpower. That's a lie sold by people who want you to fail. Deep work isn't about willpower. It's about environment design. Think of the difference between a cathedral and a strip mall that you whisper in a cathedral. You need to build a cathedral for your mind. Every morning, I write a deep work covenant, a contract with myself that breaking it feels like betrayal. This is the part where I lose 80% of you that you might click off. That action proves my point. Deep work hurts, that not in a stubbed toe way, that in a my brain feels like it's doing a wall sit way. The moment the problem, DOSNT, yield to your first attempt. What do? You reach for the phone, and not because you want the phone, but because you want the pain to stop. The phone is an anesthetic for the mild discomfort of thinking. To master deep work, you must reacquaint yourself with real boredom that your attentional muscles are atrophying. Forget the 4-hour block, that's for professionals. And monks, we start small. We start with the 47 minutes. Phase 1, the cave dive, turn off internet, your brain goes through withdrawal. Do not scratch the ITCH. Phase 2, the warm-up, do something easy, but related, copy, edit, review, get the blood flowing. Phase 3, the climb, friction, is the signal that you are about to get stronger, lean it. Phase for the glide, you forget the timer, you forget the room, you are in IT flow state. I am not native, you have a boss who thinks reply all is a personality trait. The economy does not pay you for hours logged, it pays you for value created. If you are constantly available, you are constantly replaceable. You are a human router. AI can route messages a lot faster than you can. The only leverage you have, the ability to solve problems that can't be Googled. You don't ask for permissions, you ask for forgiveness, but you deliver results so good they can't argue. When you work deep, you leave a piece of your consciousness, an artifact. When you work shallow, you leave a vapor trail. It evaporates instantly. The quality of your life is a direct reflection of the quality of your attention. Where you place your attention is where you place your life. The next 45 minutes of your life are coming. The clock will tick 47 times, whether you like it or not. Close this tab, open that blank document, share into the void, and then with a trembling hand, make a mark.